India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud of
its rich
rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
try to be
try to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country
to my country
and my people,
and my people.
I pledge my devotion
My devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity.
and prosperity.
Alone lies my happiness.
My happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Today international national news brought to you by K. Akash. International news. Trump ordered new 50% tariff on many Canadian goods. National news. Government took strict actions against neat paper leakers, says PM Modi. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. State and Sport News is brought to you by K. Anil Kumar. Cybercrime police investigating an alleged 20 crore job scam spanning Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Sport news. Former England Joe Root scored unbeaten century for Durham in domestic cricket shortly after returning from international cricket. Thank you.
Brought to you by A. Hasita. Immunity, the body's ability to resist and diseases and infections. Friends, please spell after me. Immunity. I am M-U-N-I-T-Y. Immunity. The body's ability to resist diseases and infections. Thank you. Thought is brought to you by K. Nityashri. Every health choice you make today is an investment in a stronger tomorrow. This reminds us that happiness and success are easier to achieve when we are healthy. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by K. Pawan Kumar. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, humidity 70%, precipitation 40%, wind speed 25 to 27 km per hour. Air quality is good. Thank you.
Today, observations are brought to you by K. Chandrasekhar. WHO, World Health Organization. TB, tuberculosis. ICU, Intensive Care Unit. ORS, Oral Rehydration Solution. Thank you. The amazing facts are brought to you by K. Meghnad. Fact number 1. Drinking enough of water help our brain, muscle and body for work perfect. Fact number 2. Our skin is the largest organ in our body. Fact number 3. Walking for just 30 minutes in a day can keep our heart health and improve fitness. Fact number 4. The heartbeat about 1 lakh times in a day. Fact number 5. Laughing can reduce stress and improve our mood. Thank you. My name is D. Siddharth and today I am here to give a short speech on importance of health. There are uncountable benefits of having good health. It is necessary for happiness and success. People who are healthy, they are more confident, energetic and sociable. They also have energy and enthusiasm to work and enjoy life. We celebrate World Health Day on 7th April. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Questions are brought by Dharmateja. Question for grade 7. Which vitamin known as the sunshine vitamin? Yes, we pick the right answer and the answer is vitamin D. Let us object them. Question for grade 8. Which organ pumps blood to all parts of our body? Yes, we pick the right answer and the answer is heart. Let us object them. Grade 9. Which mineral is essential healthy bones and teeth? Yes, we pick the right answer and the answer is calcium. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 10. How many chambers does the human heart have? Yes, we pick the right answer and the answer is 4. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Question number 1. Which is the largest organ in our human body? Yes, we pick the right answer and the answer is skin. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. Which blood cells help fight infections? Yes, we pick the right answer and the answer is white blood cells. Let us appreciate them. Question number 3. Which diseases is caused by high blood sugar level? A is to be the right answer and answer is diabetes. Let us appreciate them.